So in this song, the chorus says, your name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, you are the Prince of... Sing it one more time. Your name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Your name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father. You are the Prince of... Come on, let's rejoice. Come on. The precious Son of God, Lion of a tribe of Judah, mighty man in battle. You have triumphed on our behalf. Of the increase of your government and peace, there will be no end. You reign with justice and righteousness. Your name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Oh, your name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, you are the Prince of Peace. Oh, your name is Wonderful Counselor, the Prince of Peace. Oh, your name, Wonderful, the Counselor, Everlasting Father, you are the Prince of Peace. The people that walked in darkness have seen a great light in you. There is light.